Hello everybody. Like always, we're gonna find a range for next week trading on euro dollars. So last week we were talking about the downside to the 1680 and 1620, uh, but I was not convinced the 1620, even the 1680 it wouldn't touch. It's stop right at 1700. So a lot of supports on the 1700 for euro dollars. But the problem is we still have to look for the range for next week. I'm using the non-farm payroll numbers, which was very good on Friday, and that's why we have the doji right here. That's the fake out to the upside, and then it's come down. So if I already put the Fibonacci on, so the next level is 1.727 and 1.618, which is the 1725. That's also matched with the support on Thursday price action, so it should come down here. If you're holding on the euro dollar short, I expect to open with a big gap favor US dollars on Sunday open. But that's my guess. But yes, based on the non-farm payroll good numbers. Um, and because of that numbers, I lean toward the 1620 this week. I think it's going to happen this week. 1620, 1630. That's what going to happen. That's what I expect to happen this week, unless Powell say something crazy on Thursday, then price just go all the way up. But to the top side, if you flip this from Fibonacci, then you're going to see 1845 and then 1900. And I talked about the 1900 last week. That's where the resistance, that's very stronghold right there. So if it does get there, I'm going heavy short on it. I don't think it's going past 1900 this week because there was nothing crazy on the calendars this week, this coming week. So I do expect top side is 1900, no more than 1900. Downside, I lean toward the downside more because of the non-farm payroll numbers. The problem that I have that I still think is go up to 1900. There's just a couple things. It's because of the tax hike in U.S. and the other thing is the sentiment index. The sentiment index flipped from long to short the euro dollars. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the sentiment, we can discuss that on the chat room. But for right now, the sentiment is right at negative 1.3. For one long traders, there is 1.3 short traders. So the more the negative, the bigger, the larger the negative number uh, happen, the price is gonna push up higher. That's what happened. That's the only two things that I'm worried right now is the sentiment. Too many shorter, too many people selling, and then the tax hike, U.S. dollars. That's what could put the dollars on the defensive side, which is may push the euro a little bit up higher. But I don't see this euro dollar is going break 1900 next week anyway. So I lean toward the downside still. Using the Fibonacci, then we go and have the 2.16 2.618 is right at the 1688, which is the 1680 and stuff like that. And the max is going to be 1.1620, 1630. So that's the range for next week trading, unless it's break above this doji, which is the close above that doji. Then we go and see the. Let me put on. Where is the there? Unless it's break above that one, and then it pull back, and then we're going to see it shoot all the way to 1940 and 1845 and 1900. But all I see is right now is come down to this one, 1738, and then go to 1725, and that's where the support is. If is break below the 1720, then we're going to see more down to the 1680 and 1620, which is I do believe this is going to happen this week. So but everything is possible, right? Make sure you keep your stop loss on. So, but that's my take on the non-farm payroll, and that's my take on the price action this week. So good luck trading, guys. Thank you for watching.